Hello, I'm Patrick Stegman, Professor of Accounting and the Accounting Department Chair here at the College of Lake County. While I have not been an accountant my entire working life, I've always had jobs that centered around numbers. Even when I was on active duty in the United States Air Force, I was an air navigation flight instructor that required the ability to compute and manipulate numbers while traveling at speeds greater than 500 miles an hour. Later in my career, I managed the finances of several multi-million-dollar programs like the F-22 tactical fighter and the Titan space launch vehicle. I have worked as a banker, a financial consultant, a navigator, a financial manager, an equity analyst, a financial planner, as an accountant, and now as an accounting professor. But all of these jobs were possible because of my accounting education. The future of accounting has never been so bright. While job growth is expected, many accountants are older and near the end of their careers. As a result, the need for replacements will provide steady openings and advancement opportunities for those entering the field. Accounting is the language of business. Knowledge of accounting can open many career opportunities for you. If you are looking for a career with exciting job prospects, enjoy working with numbers, and seek new horizons, accounting may be for you. Salaries in accounting are competitive with most of the top career fields. In addition, these salaries are combined with generous benefits as well. At CLC, we offer 4 different accounting programs. First is our Accounting Technician Certificate that can get you started in the career. It requires just 24 semester hours to complete. Second is our Associate Degree in Accounting. This can open additional doors in accounting and in business. It requires approximately 65 semester hours to complete. Third is our transfer program, preparing students for transfer to a 4-year institution to complete their undergraduate degree in accounting. This path offers the potential for exciting jobs in the Big 4 accounting firms, jobs in the largest corporations, or even accounting in the public sector or government, or working in a nonprofit. Finally, we offer our Professional Accounting Certificate for those who already have an undergraduate degree in another field. These students are looking to move from their current jobs to exciting careers as CPAs, CMAs, or other professional level accounting positions. This certificate takes 39 semester hours to complete. Accounting has been a great career for me and for my colleagues here in the accounting department at CLC. If you are interested in accounting, have questions about accounting, or would like more information, contact me or one of my colleagues or the college enrollment section. You can apply now at CLC's website. I hope to see you soon at CLC.